Hello, welcome back to physics class. We have another question on the waves before us here. In this question, we are given a diagram and here follows that the diagram above shows two waveforms, x and y. If the frequency of x is 30 Hz, what is the frequency of y? And here are the options. As usual, we're going to solve and see which option corresponds with our answer. So, here is the diagram. We have a wave starting from O and ending at B. For x, we have it this way, and for y, we have. What we have to know is that our frequency f is equal to numbers of circles, that is cycles, as we've said in the previous videos, all over time taken for the cycle. So if we consider for wave x, let's call it our fx, frequency of x, to be equal to the numbers of cycle of x. What is the cycle of x? Which is, in this case, we have half a circle from O to this point. Let's label this point maybe P. From O to P and P to B. Half a circle, another half a circle. So we have what? A complete circle. That is 1 over time taken. And for the second wave, let's call the frequency Fy. We see that we have how many circles? We have half, complete, 1.5, 2, and 2.5. Look at it from here to here is half. Then this is complete circle, that is 1 circle, 1.5 circle, 2 circle, and 2.5 circles. 2.5 simply means 2.5 all over time taken. But if you notice this wave, both the waves come to end at the same time. They cover the same distance at what? Equal time interval. So that is to say, the time here is the same, time is constant. If that is the case, from this one, we have our t to be equal to 1 over frequency. And for this one, we have our frequency of x. And for this one, t to be equal to 2.5 over frequency of y. So if we equate t to be equal to t, since their time is the same, we can see that 1 over f of x equals to 2.5 over frequency of y. We are looking for the frequency of y. Frequency of x is given. So we have 1 over, the frequency of x is 30 Hz equal to 2.5 all over fy. So if we do this, we see that our frequency of y will be equal to 2.5 multiplied by 30. 2.5 multiplied by 30, we are going to have 2.5 times 30, we're going to have 25 times 3, which is going to give us 25 times 3, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 75 Hz, which is option D.